Totally seamless with Real Broker, 365 Hawaii Group, and welcome to our newest listing here at Keauhou Resort. This is number 132, and one of the things we really like about this is that once you get the staircase, all single floor level, you walk in, and one of the coolest things is the 20-foot ceilings. It is absolutely immense inside a one-bedroom, one-bath condo. Price here is $530,000. If you look this way, here is the bedroom. The back wall is jalousie windows. Basically, when you open them up, you're basically looking into your own private park. Also, the bathroom next to the stackable washing machine and dryer is also jalousie windows. So when these are open, you basically have your own park-like setting. You have a shower. When we come out here, you can see the kitchen is ready to put your unique signature on it as well. Brand new floors, brand new stove, new shelving. This is an open canvas for renovation. Over here, you have living room. And then one of the coolest things is you come out here into 200 square foot lanai. Awesome for entertaining, coming out and enjoying your coffee or your beverages in the evening. And you can watch sunset on the ocean in front of you. If you're interested in viewing this condo, please call us. We'll do a showing.